Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. And if you're into Huck's World, and today we got an awesome watch face to check out. Now the name of this one is called WFP 0111 Pro Celsius Weather Day and Night Animated. This one here is nice. You all are going to like this one. I love a weather watch face. Now, even in the always on mode, it looks super sweet. I'm loving the look when it's on. This thing is boss. Up at the top, you're going to get a moon phase. It's going to let you know that it's going to be thunderstorming. You get your weather in Celsius, but check this out. No worries, because they do have Fahrenheit. And if I'm not mistaken, it's cheaper. So check it out in the Gear Manager store. You get the day of the week, your date, your month. You get a nice big bold digital time. You get your battery life. It lets you know that it's thunderstorming down at the bottom as well. So this definitely is a good look. I got to get a developer 4 thumbs up in the door for uniqueness on this one. And if I tap on the 0, I get my S health. On the 9, I get my alarm. If I tap in this corner, I can get my music, make a phone call, and over here when I do this one, it's going to change the color of the weather time. Check it out. It always does it. There you go. See, I changed it, and you get shortcuts. You get 2 of them. You get another one right there as well. So as you can see, you can change the time. Just double tap right there on the 9, the back of the 9. Not bad. I'm liking this look, you all. I'm loving the look. What do you think? All right, you all, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. And with that, listen, hit the like button on the way out and subscribe to the channel if you already haven't subscribed. And I'm going to see you all at the next video. Enjoy the weekend. Party like it's 1999. Enjoy family and friends. But most of all, people, be safe. And I'll see you all at the next one. Take care.